On Health Check at 11, a new age treadmill. Technology developed by NASA is now being used in some rehabilitation centers. Health reporter and registered nurse Allie Gorman shows us how the treadmill works and how it's helping patients.
My left hip went and I knew something obviously was wrong.
Wayne Kirsch first had problems with his left hip a few years ago while on a golfing trip. It led to him eventually needing a total hip replacement. He had surgery and then rehabilitation. Then this past March, he had to have his right hip done. But this time, rehab included something new, the AlterG anti-gravity treadmill.
So he'll step into the machine.
The treadmill was developed using NASA technology.
Bring this up around him.
It uses air pressure to allow patients to walk or run without carrying their full body weight.
So we can take somebody's effective body weight down to 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 80%.
Physical therapist James Hashimoto, or Hash, of Elite PT in Wilmington, says this helps a patient keep their mobility without pounding on their joints.
Kind of like juiced the hip, got me moving without the pain.
And because there's less pain, patients can move more and build endurance faster. Hash, also a former trainer for the U.S. men's national soccer team, credits the AlterG with helping soccer star Charlie Davies. Davies was in a tragic car crash last October. He suffered multiple fractures in his lower leg, among other injuries. Many say he's fortunate just to be alive. Hash says when Davies first arrived for rehab, he needed help just standing, but
12 weeks later, he's jogging at 70% of his body weight on the AlterG. There's no way that he could have started or tolerated the pounding on his joints in a running type movement without the assistance of that.
Davies is now back playing soccer for a French team. His goal is to be back with the U.S. national team in time for the World Cup.
He's on the verge of proving a lot of people wrong, and getting back to a level that nobody ever thought he would get back to, yet alone in 5 months' time.
Still, Hash is clear to say the treadmill can't heal bones any faster, but getting patients up doing regular movements such as walking without pain helps get patients back to living normally faster. Kirsch started walking at just 50% his body weight just days after surgery. 4 weeks later, he's now up to 80%.
I really believe that I'm about a week and a half ahead of schedule from my left side using the AlterG.
And Elite PT is one of the only rehab centers in our area using the new treadmill. However, several professional and college sports teams, including Princeton University, have a higher-end version of the AlterG. Allie Gorman, Channel 6, Action News.